Hi, I'm Norman Spears. I'm the Executive Director of Operational Services for Aransas County Independent School District. And in our upcoming bond proposal, we'll address safety, security, our HVAC systems. There's a courtyard at the Rockport-Fulton Middle School that has always been a problem. This past July, we had a lot of rain hit this area, and we had some massive flooding around our campuses. And especially at the middle school, where the courtyard could not keep up with the amount of water that was entering that courtyard. So the water went into the buildings, and we had to do some flood mitigation in there. With safety and security, that's always an ongoing project with Aransas County ISD. We've really been active in that area. We have a lot of security cameras that are in need of replacement. And then we, of course, as always, would like to add more security cameras and access control to doors and gates. If this bond passes, it will address ADA access concerns at our elementary schools. This bond election will take place on May 7th, so we hope everybody shows up to cast their vote, and I appreciate your time.